Is there an easy way to reduce inflammation without causing side effects? Can you just implement one simple thing to help reduce inflammation? You actually can, and it is not taking an anti-inflammatory drug. What I'm talking about, you can buy in a regular grocery store. Low-grade inflammation is inflammation you may not be aware of because it does not result in any visible signs like when you sprain an ankle. It can, however, be measured with a blood test. This type of inflammation is a risk factor for all kinds of chronic diseases, from cardiovascular disease to arthritis. The most effective way to reduce this type of inflammation is to make changes to the way you eat. You can also take certain nutritional supplements to reduce the inflammation further. This research is, however, showing that by just adding one food to your diet, inflammation was reduced. 486 female teachers were included in the research. These women were tested for several inflammatory markers, and their dietary intake was assessed. The researchers found that legume intake was inversely associated with serum concentrations of highly sensitive CRP, TNF-alpha, and IL-6, all inflammatory markers, even after controlling for potential confounders and dietary variables. According to this research, higher intake of legumes were found to reduce inflammation. This is easy to accomplish if you add either beans or lentils to salads, soups, and stews. It would make a nice difference if you started to use legumes instead of potatoes and rice. You can either cook the beans yourself or buy organic canned beans. For this to work, you need to always have some cooked beans on hand, either in the refrigerator or in a can. That way, you can easily add them to a meal.